Hello, I'm Naomi. Today, I'm gonna make one of the most famous Japanese dish, yakitori, chicken skewers, and a yakitori don rice bowl as an arranged menu. I'll show you how to make easy and tasty tare, yakitori sauce, and a staple appetizer at yakitori restaurant cabbage salad at home. So please watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Pre-season with salt on both sides. Pour 1 tablespoon of sake and massage the chicken to absorb it. It helps to erase poultry smell and makes the chicken tasty. Let them sit more than 15 minutes. This is a Tokyo negi, Japanese white onion. It looks like a leek, but it's thinner and more peppery. Using green onion is no problem, of course. Cut into 1.5 inches or 5 cm lengths. Let's make tare, yakitori sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. A small piece of dried kombu kelp. Mirin gives a shiny glow to complete the dish, so it's an important seasoning for yakitori. Microwave to heat it up. Add sesame oil. Add oil before adding other seasonings. This process keeps the cabbage fresh and crispy. Some yakitori restaurants serve it for free when ordering yakitori. It's a good small bite to occupy the time until the yakitori arrives. Bend the chicken piece into U shape and insert the skewer into 2 points of each chicken. Alternate each chicken with a cut scallion. Repeat the same procedure. Don't touch them until getting brown. When the chicken grills nicely, apply sauce on the surface with a brush. If you don't have a brush, let a skewer dip into the bowl. Repeat the same procedure several times. Now let's cook yakitori don. When the chicken cooks 80% and the scallion are nicely brown, pour tare, yakitori sauce into the pan. The sauce supplies skewers by a brush, but this chicken should be served with plain rice, so it's better to season more thick and glazy. How did you like it? Skewers seasoned with a sweet and savory yakitori sauce are irresistibly delicious. Yakitori is great finger food for gathering, especially barbecue party. Because yakitori should be broiled at the authentic yakitori restaurants, it tastes closer to actual Japanese one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.